Hey there, everybody. Since I mentioned a second screencast here for the first of our quizzes, because I know some of you will have an opportunity to quickly bang this out before next week, I thought I would point it out here. First of all, if you go over to modules, that's where you are going to find this. I have put for you a newly visible module at the very, very top called quizzes. For this particular one, the due date was October 9. They do not slam shut after the due date, just like everything else. I don't want to move it just because I think that there will actually be a reasonable percentage of you who will do this before we talk about it on Monday. So I'm just going to leave it here. As the title suggests, if you go ahead and click through to it, this is from the text. It is chapters 1 through 3. There are 15 questions on each of the chapters. I believe that there are a total of 5 true and false questions, and there are a total of 40 multiple choice. This is what I can tell you about the way things are going to shake out. Number one, the points value for this goes to the tests and quizzes percentage of your grade. That's 40%. So these hit pretty hard when it comes to your, the overall grade percentage. But here's the good news. Number one, there is no time limit. So you have as long as you need to do to take these. Number two is you have multiple attempts. You actually get 3 attempts at the highest score you can get. When you are done with the quiz, just in the very same way that you can go back into my IT lab and see your responses. So it won't tell you the correct answer, but it'll tell you what was wrong about the response that you gave. That is going to be true here as well. So, and there's no time limit. So you can sit here and take as long as it is that you need to take this as accurately and with as high a score as possible. I'm going to mention that again just in class briefly on Monday, but this way, it's here, it's available. Get a start on it. It is chapters 1 through 3 in the textbook. You absolutely positively can use your textbook, and you absolutely positively can go back and use my IT lab and the e-text on this. This is less about me, giving you some sort of, way to negatively impact your score. This is really much more about you getting the vocabulary and the terms correct, so that when you go to an employer later on, you are going to have the vocabulary and the skills to be able to do all things computer and all things office. So good luck and have at 'em.